Hello everyone, welcome back to Simplicity Reimagined. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from this Crest and Oral-B combination of a toothbrush. So I got this toothbrush at my local dentist office, so I don't know if you'll have the exact same price, but the one I found at Walmart was about $160 plus tax, which is crazy, but this one I got for $85 and it has a $20 mail-in rebate. Here's the box that contains the actual toothbrush. Another thing that it includes is the mail-in rebate slip right here. You just fill in all this information and then you get $20 off. All of these products featured on the screen are included with my dental cleaning kit. Now, if you buy this toothbrush on retail, you won't get all of this. This is basically included since you bought it with your local dentist office. So I'm just going to do a quick 360 of the box. On the side it says it includes a handle, a travel case, 3 brush heads, and a charger. Now the great thing about this toothbrush is that it's Bluetooth and it's very smart, so you can hook it up to their app on your phone, iPad, whatever device you use when you brush your teeth. Now let's get into the actual packaging. Also, another thing that is included on the bottom of the box, they have this little paper, and basically you will save $3 on these 2-count Oral-B replacement brush head pack. Here's the actual box. In this little compartment we have the 3 different types of brush heads they do include. So I don't necessarily know what each of these are for, but as you can see they're all different. Next, here's the traveling case. It's made out of a light plastic. Next, underneath the traveling case you will find a charger. So this is what the charging station actually looks like. All you have to do is just put it on your counter and then plug it into an outlet nearby. Next, we have the actual toothbrush. It does come charged a little bit. There is an instruction manual on the bottom for you to set up your toothbrush correctly. So there's this, and then you have a whole entire booklet. Next, I'm just going to demonstrate how you put the actual brush head onto the toothbrush. So just face the brush head to you, just like it's a normal toothbrush, and just insert it. It's not that hard to put on or take off. And then you push the power button like so. And then this arrow right here changes the mode. So right now it's on cleaning your tongue mode. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to put it into the actual traveling case. So just pop open the button area. Then you're going to put your brush heads facing up like so. And then you have to be very careful because this little groove right here will fit just into this right here. Slide it in and just pop it down real quickly. Close it and you're good to go. This is my first electric toothbrush, so I'm super excited to use it, and I probably will do another video later after many times of using it to just review it to see if I liked it or not and give you my personal opinion. And obviously I'm not representing this company because they are no way affiliated with me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.